Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to your daily dose of market dynamics on Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, here to guide you through the ups and downs of yesterday's stock market. So, folks, the market painted quite the picture yesterday. A sea of red spread across the board as the Standard & Poor's 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average both dipped by more than 1%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite wasn't spared either, taking a 1.7% hit. It seems the recent high tide of record-setting rallies is receding, leaving some wary investors in its wake. And talk about tech tensions, Apple and Tesla, two of our magnificent seven, felt the brunt. Apple's stocks tumbled after reports showed a significant drop in iPhone sales in China. Meanwhile, Tesla faced its own trials with a factory shutdown in Berlin, compounding shipment concerns. Now, on to the crypto corner, where Bitcoin briefly hit a record high before taking a 10% tumble back to earth. The wild ride in tech gains and Bitcoin's fluctuating fortunes are sparking debates on whether the peak of investor FOMO has come and gone. Adding a sprinkle of salt to the wound, Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic threw cold water on hopes for multiple rate cuts, hinting at just one potential trim down the line in the third quarter. With faith wavering in the Fed's easing path, all eyes are now locked on Fed Chair Jerome Powell's testimony to Congress happening today. His words could sway the market's course, so let's stay tuned. But it wasn't all doom and gloom, my friends. Over at Target, things are looking up, with earnings that not only beat forecasts, but also gave its shares a more than 10% boost. All right, folks, that wraps up our whirlwind tour of yesterday's market. The tides may have turned, but remember, with every ebb, there's a flow. Keep an ear to the ground, and let's see what today brings after Powell's much-anticipated testimony. Thank you for joining me on today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, and I'll be back tomorrow with more updates. Have a great day and happy investing. Cheerio!